is live with us this morning. Joe?
What is this, Lucy?
That's going to be Jezebel sauce.
Oh, I was
What
hoping,
did you think it was?
Well, I was hoping you were going to say jam so I could say we're jamming with you like Bob
Jam,
Marley.
jam.
I want to jam it with you. All right.
Does he have any Christmas music? Oh, look it up.
Yeah.
Look it up.
I don't know. We've got a lot of goodness in the kitchen. A lot of people have guests coming over during the holiday season. They want to put out something that a lot of people can just snack on, and this looks fantastic.
Yes, Christmas parties are already starting, holiday and Christmas parties. And, you know, of course, I'm like, Alabama, I feel like sausage is at every gathering, but probably Wisconsin too. I feel like it's just a national thing.
You know, that's funny because Wisconsin is very heavy into a lot of German immigrants settled in Wisconsin. So German sausages and Polish sausages and things like that. Famously, where the Brewers play, they have the sausage race around the stadium. So it's a massive thing there. It's massive here. I don't know if it's as big everywhere else. I think we're like the sausage homes of the world.
Coming together.
Coming together.
Coming together.
Yeah.
So it's kind of fun. Of course, you can do whatever sausages you want. The bigger the variety, the better. I just chose 3 today, which we just have Conecuh. I think this was a Johnsonville just smoked sausage. And then, have you ever had the Little Butcher sausages?
I have not.
They are out of Hattiesburg. They have an amazing array of sausages. This is the jalapeno cheese one. They have like apple, blueberry, pineapple, different ones. I mean, regular, traditional, but they're really good. So Little Butcher Shop, we sell those. You'll have to try one. And then we're going to do 4 different sauces today, and they're all really easy. And so this is just kind of something fun. Of course, you could put cheese on here. You can make this just part of any kind of charcuterie board, but it will definitely be something easy that you could take to a party.
So Conecuh sausage, of course, from Conecuh County in Alabama. We talked about the one you just mentioned. And just oddly enough, Johnsonville sausage is from Sheboygan, Wisconsin.
I thought they were from Wisconsin. I thought you had told me that before.
Yeah, so there you go.
Yay. Well, we are representing everyone. So the first one I'm going to do is just a mustard sauce. And you could use, of course, whichever mustards are in your fridge. I like to use a combo of spicy brown, and it's just going to be equal parts. So I would, about a quarter cup.
Too.
You do this too?
I always I mix so many condiments together all the time.
Yeah.
I just like the flavors they produce. And when you're talking about sausage, a lot of like sausage purists think that a mustard combo is the thing you need to pair with it.
And it really, if you haven't tried it, I mean, they are right. Mustard with sausage is amazing. Again, any combination you want. I mean, I could shoot some yellow mustard in here too. I just have stone ground, spicy, and Dijon. And I like to do it, and asked Spiro last night. I'm like, okay, would you want any bit of sweetness in this, like honey? And he's like, no, just do regular. So you could definitely add some honey in here, but we are gonna have a sweet option with our Jezebel sauce. So first one is done. Equal parts of whatever mustards you have in the fridge. And it's pretty. This will add a lot of color. So that's our first one.
All right, sounds good. We're going to continue to show you the other sauces and all these ideas for your sausage platters and parties coming up here during the holiday season with your friends at Greer's Markets across the Gulf Coast. Lucy, good to see you as always.
Thank you.
Chelsea.
Welcome back into our kitchen with Lucy this morning. Lucy, hey.
Hey,
I love your earrings.
Thank you.
They're
I'm
so
all
cute.
about a festive seasonal earring. I have a few Christmas pairs. I was like, I better get going on those.
I mean, that was the time. They're super cute.
Thank
She's
you.
got her little Christmas bows on. And today we're talking about something that would be really delicious if you were heading to a holiday party. This is something easy and great to bring.
Yes, we're just doing a variety of sausages, and you could do whatever kind you want. You know, there's just so many on the market now. There's different chicken sausages, different flavors. So any kind of smoked sausage or whatever you want, the more the merrier. I just chose 3 today. And just a tip, it is great to cook them in the air fryer. So I was like, how am I gonna like really get all these cooked? I mean, of course you can put them in the oven. So just a tip, if you're gonna do something like this, cook them whole, you know, in the pieces. Don't cut them up first. But I did that, put it in the air fryer, or you could do the oven and then slice them up. So just a tip there. So use your air fryer if you have one.
Yes.
Or you could, of course, grill it. I mean, that's another option too. So Spiro always says, I'll grill anything.
I know.
But then I have to get it all ready.
Uh-huh,
But I could say, here's all the sausage. So
Yeah.
you can totally grill it too.
Yep.
So we did one of our 4 sauces already.
Okay.
We just did a mustard sauce. So me and Joe were talking, and you could use whatever mustard you have in the fridge, just equal parts. I just used stone ground mustard, spicy mustard, and Dijon mustard. It's about a 1/4 cup of each one, and we mix that all together. So mustard with sausage is amazing if you haven't tried it. The second one we're going to do is a Jezebel sauce. Have you had it before? Not jam.
I don't think I have.
So it's really good. It's a sweet and kind of spicy sauce. We're going to do horseradish in there, and it's great with any kind of, I mean, pork is really the best with it, pork tenderloin. It'd be really good with chicken as well. And again, it's very simple to make. So in here I have a 1/4 cup each of orange marmalade and apple jelly and pineapple preserves. So that is the base, and of course that's the sweet part.
Yeah.
And then we're going to add a tablespoon of prepared horseradish right out of the jar. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then this one's going to be ready too. So it's, like I said, it's kind of a sweet and spicy sauce.
Yeah. I know you said that one probably pairs really well with like pork or whatever. Do you have preferences just specifically for you on which sausage goes best with which sauce you've made?
Not exactly. Joe was just asking me that. He did just the basic. That one's just a Johnsonville smoked sausage. He did that one with the white barbecue sauce. So that one, but no, they really all just mix and match really well.
Yeah.
So, and that's a good thing too, you know, because sometimes when you put out a platter, you know, especially if you're having a big gathering, I mean, you can't just sit there and kind of like tell everybody, you know, the best ways to do. So it's kind of nice when you have something like this that everything mixes and matches really well. And all these sauces can of course be made days in advance and just stored in the fridge. And this one's pretty too. So, and that's kind of important. Like the mustard one is really pretty. And this Jezebel sauce is really pretty. And this would actually be really good with shrimp too. I was just thinking this Jezebel sauce would be. And it'd be really good too with, a lot of people do, you know, little sliders during the holidays. So if you were doing like little ham sandwiches or pork tenderloin sandwiches, this would be really good on there as well. Really all these sauces are very versatile.
Yeah.
So it's just kind of something fun, different to do.
It goes well with Kaneka, I can tell you that.
Anything does.
That's really delicious.
Oh, good. I'm glad you like
Yeah.
it. And it, like I said, it's pretty. And yeah, we are having a Christmas party this weekend. And so I was like, what would be fun to do? So I'm gonna do this weekend.
Yeah.
And again, I just chose 3 sausages today, but I'll probably go back to the store and just get, you know, more and just let everybody have it.
It's a great little appetizer side dish while you're talking and hanging out. So this is something to remember. Lucy, thank you.
Yes,
when we come back, what are we working on
We're
next?
going to do the curry barbecue sauce next, and then we're also going to do a white barbecue sauce.
Okay, I'll try the curry barbecue
Okay,
too.
yeah,
All
try
right.
that.
Joe, we'll have some leftover for you, my friend.
I'm sorry about what I did to your sausage display. Some of the, at least 4 or 5 of those are now missing.
I kind of hit it too, and so did Chelsea. So I guess
Okay, so we're all teaming up
guilty.
to destroy it.
We're guilty.
Hey, that's what it's there for, right? That's why you make it.
It's an open invitation. Our Christmas party sausage platter with 4 sauces. So yes, we talked a lot about sausage, different kinds. So grab whatever sausage variety you want, cook it up. Air fryer is a good way to go, oven or grill. And we are working on our 4 sauces. So we did our mustard sauce, you liked. We did our Jezebel sauce, you liked. We're working on, I think, your favorite so far.
Yeah, so I did try all 4 sauces, and this was something that I have not necessarily had before. Tell our viewers what this is.
Okay, this is a curried barbecue sauce. My dad always made this when we were growing up, whenever we would have sausage. When you were mentioning Germany earlier, he spent a year in Germany when he was in college, and he learned this over there. I guess they made something similar. So it's just half a cup of barbecue sauce, whatever you like. I just did a tablespoon of yellow mustard, and then all you do is add 1 1/4 teaspoons of curry powder that you just get right at the grocery store, and that is it. So it has the sweet, you know, from the barbecue sauce, and the curry powder has, I mean, it's a bit of a spice. It's not like spicy, but it just has tons of flavor. It's really, really good, and something different for sure. So that's Joe's favorite so far. That's curried barbecue. And the last one we're gonna do is a white barbecue sauce. So I have in here, let's see, that was half a cup of mayo plus 2 tablespoons. And then I'm gonna do 1/8 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. We have 1 1/2 teaspoons of spicy mustard and 1 teaspoon of our horseradish again. So we use the horseradish in the Jezebel sauce, and we're going to use it in the white barbecue sauce. We have, this is just a teaspoon of water to loosen it up a little, and then we have 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We just have a couple pinches of cayenne, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/8 of garlic powder, 1/8 of paprika, and just a little bit of salt. And this is our barbecue sauce, our white barbecue sauce.
Great stuff. We're going to have the recipes for all of these sauces on the Studio 10 tab on fox10tv.com. Such a great thing to put out for guests during the holiday season with your party platters, for all the upcoming football games, the bowl games that are coming up, the high school games that are this weekend. So much fun. Lucy, and they can do all their shopping at Greer's to check all this out.
Absolutely. You can check out our website, or you can shop online with us. We have curbside pickup and delivery options. So if you don't have time to get in the store, we can do it for you.
One more is going to go.
Okay, one more.
One more is going to go. We'll be right back with more Studio 10. Lucy, thank you so much.
Thank you.